it's hard to keep up with just like how like extraordinary the rent growth in Cleveland went, right? We're in there at 977, which is an insanely high rent for a property you could buy for 65K. But honestly, at this point, when this lease expires, we're going to make another pitch to Section 8 to increase that rent, get that up to 1100. I don't see this tenant moving out anytime soon, and they're not really going to care about how much the rental increase is. It's really just going to be about how far we could push Section 8, and recently they've really opened that up, okay? So back to where we were like 10, 15 years ago, where Section 8 is just like, boom, at the top. There ain't nothing better than Section 8 in the Cleveland market, folks. The numbers, they're extraordinary. Check this one out. 2403 Mira Court, okay, coming to you at $64,999. This is a Section 8 property in the Holton Wise portfolio. We've been operating this bad boy for, I don't know, like 5 or something years right now. And we got a tenant that's been in there almost the entire time. I think 4 of those 5 years, okay? And they're a Section 8 tenant, and we've been increasing rents, yearly. We have not, at this moment in time, hit to where we're exactly at market rent because, honestly, the last 2 years, it's hard to keep up with just like how like extraordinary the rent growth in Cleveland went, right? We're in there at 977, which is an insanely high rent for a property you could buy for 65K. But honestly, at this point, when this lease expires, we're going to make another pitch to Section 8 to increase that rent, get that up to 1100 because Section 8 kind of lagged a little bit in regards to where market rents were in Cleveland and catching up to them because Cleveland rents just shot up so high, right? Like when I started doing this, probably like 10 years ago, maybe 15 years ago, I started like really getting in to comparing Section 8 to market rents, and for a while, Section 8 rents were actually higher. But then, like over the last like 5 years, not the last 2 years, but like the last 5 years, we started to see like the rents like really just skyrocket up, right? Like kind of after COVID hit, and Section 8 like lagged for a few of those years. Like it's kind of like evened itself out now. I would say Section 8's back to being market or a little above market, but like we had a little period there where Section 8 rents were coming in lower than market rents just because they shot up so quickly over such a short period of time. So next lease renewal, we should be able to take care of that issue, get you back up to like 1100, which is top of the market, right? It'd be insane to get any higher than that. I mean, come on, you're buying it for $65,000. But other than that, man, I don't see this tenant moving out anytime soon, and they're not really going to care about how much the rental increase is. It's really just going to be about how far we could push Section 8, and recently they've really opened that up, okay? So back to where we were like 10, 15 years ago, where Section 8 is just like, boom, at the top, okay? Other than that, the big ticket items, y'all, they're taken care of, right? Like we put that furnace in like 2-3 years ago, put the hot water tank in a couple years ago. The lead certification that recently expired, so we got to redo that, but we already did it a couple years ago, right? It's like it's going to be no big deal, right? Like, with rental properties in the city of Cleveland now, you have to every 2 years like fill out your lead certification application and they come test it and everything. But we just did all the work 2 years ago, so few $100, bada bing, bada boom, shouldn't be any issues to get it re-lead certified. Not a problem, just a little bit of government red tape. I mean, you're going to get that, but other than that, man, solid deal, good neighborhood. I would put this in like the C grade area, so like there's definitely a lot more risky neighborhoods in the city of Cleveland. Tend to spend there a long time. I don't see the tenant planning on moving out anytime soon, so this one is ready to rock and roll, y'all. You want to make an offer on it? Send it to sales@holtonwise.com. You want to pay cash? Sweet. Give me your proof of funds. You want to finance it? Cool. I got lenders if you need them, or if you got one, just include your pre-approval letter. And before I get you out of here and before you actually send me those offers, do me a favor, though, and stick around, because now what I'm going to do is you've been, watching me talk, and then, of course, like a bunch of footage of the property's been popping up, popping back down. I want you to watch that video tour in its completely uncensored, unedited condition, right? I want you to see everything. I want you to see the reactions my guys had when they walked in there. Nothing's edited out. I want you guys to really get a feel for this property, because I know a lot of you are coming from out of state. So, like, it's really important to us here that, like, we show you exactly what it is you're buying. So take a look at that footage now.
Rolling live out here at 2403 Mira Court. Just a little run around our block next to this shit here. I'm ready to do the inside. It's easier if I do.
You want to do inside first?
Yeah, because then I don't track mud through the house.
Right, yeah. Cool.
A light on already? Yeah.
So she was mentioning the stairs obviously need to be painted, I guess the gutters.
Yeah, Section 8 stuff, I know.
Yeah, basically. We should have a report.
Hello, hon, how you doing? This will be real quick. I just gotta do like a pan. Keep you out of it as best I can.
I'm gonna... I'll just try to get behind you.
There's not much to do. Hey, pup.
Ooh, puppy?
Yeah.
So they should have a record of leak and stuff too.
Yep. That goes outside. Alright, is it cool if I do the upstairs real quick? That should be real quick. There's just a bedroom and a bedroom. Oh, I'm in a little room. Bathroom, basement, and then the back side of the house. Yeah, I know the layout of this one real good. I showed it a lot.
Yeah, I was saying, I thought you were the one that showed me.
Yeah.
Looks like the plaster's coming off the wall down there.
Yep, I got it. I got everything. All right. Basement, and then and I'm all done.
After that, so.
Matter of fact, is it okay if I just go out this door when I leave?
We'll
Okay.
do the walk around them.
When I leave. I hate this basement. Stairs go straight down.
Oh yeah, those are steep pulls.
Yeah. More water tank. And then only a couple of things on there. Alright, we're good.
Then I'll just file you out and we'll be good to go.
Yep. Thank you so much. I'm gonna go out this back door and get the side, and then I'm all done. Thank you.
We'll be outside for a couple minutes, so I can hear us or whatever, but we should be good. If there's any follow-up. Thank you. Have a good one.
Porch. I'm gonna go down those back steps, by the way.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
so you can.
I had a little side porch area.
Yep.
You can walk on the road.
Just like into the side of the house. Yeah. All right. All good.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Holton Wise TV for more financial information, education, and entertainment.